Design thinking is a human-centered, iterative problem-solving approach that has revolutionized how we create solutions for complex challenges. At its core, design thinking puts humans at the center of the problem-solving process, ensuring solutions truly meet user needs. Design thinking balances three essential pillars: what people desire, what technology makes feasible, and what business makes viable. Desirability focuses on what people want and need. Feasibility considers what technology can deliver. Viability ensures business sustainability. Unlike linear processes, design thinking is iterative. Teams move between stages in parallel, out of order, and repeat steps as they gain new insights. Design thinking follows five core stages: empathize to understand users, define to frame problems, ideate to generate solutions, prototype to build concepts, and test to gather feedback. The key insight is that design thinking is not linear. Teams constantly revisit earlier stages as they learn more about users and refine their understanding of the problem. The first stage of design thinking is empathize, the foundation of understanding your users. This stage requires putting yourself in the user's shoes to gain deep insights into their world. Empathy in design thinking involves three core methods: conducting user interviews, making observations, and creating empathy maps. Each method provides unique insights into user behavior and needs. User interviews are structured conversations that reveal user needs, motivations, and pain points. A well-designed interview guide helps ensure you gather comprehensive insights about your users' experiences. Observations involve systematically watching user behavior in their natural environment. This method captures what users actually do, not just what they say they do, revealing important insights about their real-world interactions. Empathy maps are visual tools that organize user insights into what they think, feel, see, hear, say, and do. This comprehensive view helps teams develop a shared understanding of user experiences and identify key pain points. These methods help create detailed user profiles that capture demographics, behaviors, and goals. Understanding your users as real people with specific needs and challenges is essential for developing solutions that truly resonate. The empathize stage is crucial because it ensures your solutions address real user needs rather than assumptions. In hybrid work environments, prioritizing in-person interactions during this stage can provide richer, more nuanced insights into user behavior and emotions. After gathering empathy insights about users, the define stage transforms those observations into a clear, actionable problem statement. The define stage requires framing problems from the user's perspective, focusing on their actual needs rather than jumping to solutions. Here's a real example of a well-defined problem statement. Notice how it clearly identifies the gap between current and ideal states from the user's perspective. Effective problem statements include three key components: the current state, the ideal state, and the impact of the gap between them. The define stage works particularly well in virtual environments, allowing teams to collaborate on problem statements using digital tools and shared workspaces. Remember, a well-defined problem statement serves as the foundation for all subsequent design work. It ensures your solutions directly address user needs rather than assumed problems. The ideation stage is where creativity takes center stage. This is the phase where we generate a wide range of potential solutions to the problem we've defined. Ideation begins with divergent thinking. We start with our defined problem and generate as many ideas as possible. The key is quantity over quality at this stage. Brainstorming is the most common ideation technique. Teams collaborate to generate ideas following specific rules that encourage creativity and prevent premature judgment. The rules are simple but crucial. No criticism, build on others' ideas, encourage wild concepts, focus on quantity, and stay focused on the problem at hand. Sketching serves dual purposes in ideation. It's both a communication tool for sharing ideas quickly and a thinking tool that helps clarify and develop concepts. Mind mapping helps organize ideas visually. Start with the central problem and branch out with related concepts, creating connections that often spark new solutions. Successful ideation relies on four key principles. Prioritize quantity over quality. Initially, defer judgment to maintain creativity. Build on others' ideas collaboratively, and when possible, work together in person to maximize creative energy. In the prototype stage, we transform our ideas into tangible models that we can interact with and test. This is where concepts become reality, even if just temporarily. Prototyping means creating early versions of your solution to test key assumptions and gather feedback before investing in full development. Low fidelity prototypes are quick, rough representations of your ideas. These include paper sketches, wireframes, and simple mock ups that focus on basic functionality rather than visual polish. High fidelity prototypes are more detailed and closer to the final product. They include realistic visuals, interactions, and functionality that users can actually experience. The prototyping process follows a simple cycle: build a basic version, test it with users, gather feedback, then iterate and improve. This cycle repeats until the solution meets user needs. Modern prototyping uses both digital and physical tools. Digital tools like Figma and Sketch create interactive prototypes, while physical materials help test tangible products. The key benefit is learning what works before full development. Remember, prototypes are meant to be imperfect. They help you fail fast, learn quickly, and build better solutions. The goal is not perfection, but learning and improvement. The testing stage is where your prototypes meet real users. This critical phase validates your design decisions and reveals opportunities for improvement through direct user feedback. Testing involves observing real users as they interact with your prototype. Users attempt to complete tasks while observers document their behaviors, struggles, and feedback. Effective testing uses multiple feedback collection methods. Observation reveals what users actually do, interviews uncover their thoughts and motivations, while surveys provide structured, quantitative data. Testing is not a one-time event, but part of a continuous refinement cycle. Test your prototype, analyze the feedback, refine your design, and iterate. This cycle continues until you achieve the desired user experience. Testing can be conducted both in person and virtually. In-person testing provides rich behavioral insights and natural interactions, while virtual testing offers broader reach and cost efficiency. Choose the format that best suits your prototype and research goals. Successful testing requires the right mindset. Test early and often to catch issues before they become expensive to fix. Focus on what users do rather than what they say. Document everything for future reference and embrace unexpected findings as opportunities for breakthrough insights. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing design thinking by enhancing every stage of the process. AI tools now work alongside designers to make the entire workflow more efficient and data-driven. AI excels at analyzing vast amounts of user data to uncover patterns that humans might miss. It can process user behavior, identify trends, and generate predictive insights about user needs and preferences. AI can generate creative solutions by combining ideas in novel ways and assessing their feasibility. It also automates repetitive tasks like creating prototypes, simulating user interactions, and analyzing feedback from testing sessions. AI integration brings significant benefits to design thinking. It increases efficiency through faster iteration cycles, enables data-driven decision-making, provides scalability to handle larger data sets, and delivers more precise insights about user needs. While AI offers powerful capabilities, ethical considerations are crucial. Design teams must ensure transparency in AI decisions, actively mitigate bias, protect user privacy, maintain human oversight, and take accountability for AI-driven outcomes in the design process. AI is transforming design thinking by making it more efficient and data-driven, but success depends on thoughtful implementation that prioritizes ethical considerations and maintains human-centered values. Design thinking is rapidly evolving to meet the challenges of our complex, interconnected world. The future brings exciting developments in inclusivity, data integration, and systems-level approaches. Inclusive design is becoming central to the future of design thinking. This approach ensures solutions work for people of all abilities, backgrounds, and circumstances, creating more equitable outcomes for diverse user groups. The integration of data with design instincts represents a major shift in how we approach problem solving. Rather than relying purely on intuition, future design thinking balances human insight with data-driven evidence to create more effective solutions. Systems thinking is transforming design thinking to address complex, interconnected challenges. Instead of solving isolated problems, future approaches consider the broader ecosystem and relationships between different components. Ethical reflection and human centered values are becoming fundamental to future design thinking. As technology advances, we must ensure our solutions respect human rights, privacy, and dignity while remaining flexible and open to diverse perspectives. The future of design thinking demands continuous adaptation and learning. By embracing iterative processes, diverse perspectives, and emerging technologies, we can create solutions that truly serve humanity's evolving needs.